everyone, welcome to Science Class with Miss Nisa. Today we are going to talk about loud sounds. Let's talk the first topic. It's about the danger of loud sounds. So when we hear loud sounds, it damages our ears and it causes deafness or loss of hearing. If you hear prolonged exposure to the loud sounds, it can lead to the permanent ear damage. Although the sounds are not too loud, it also can cause pain. Now, how to measure the loudness or intensity of a sound? Well, for measuring the intensity of the sound, we can measure it in a unit that is called decibel. Of course, we need a device or a tool for measuring the sounds. We need a professional decibel meter. Here is the picture of decibel meter. How does this device work? Well, you need to just turn on or switch on this device. And then, if you want to measure the intensity of sounds, just let this device listen or hear it. For example, if you want to listen to the car city traffic sounds, you need to turn on it and hear it. So, the number or the loudness or the intensity of the sounds will be appear on the screen of decibel meter. For example, because the intensity of car city traffic is 70, so the number 70 decibel will appear on the screen. Here the explanation about the intensity of a sound. Well, 0 decibel is the lowest sound heard by human ears. When you hear normal conversation, it will be around 60 until 70 decibel. When you hear city traffic, you are going to hear around 85 decibel. Well, when you visit a subway train station, you are going to hear loud sounds around 90 until 95 decibel. Well, if you hear intensity at which prolonged exposure, it may cause the loss of hearing. So, always be careful and protect your ears. When you attend loud rock concert, you're going to hear around 115 decibel. When you drill at 0.5 meter away, it's going to be really loud and it's around 125 decibel. So if you hear this sound intensity, you will feel the pain inside your ear. The last one, this is probably the loudest sounds that ever heard by human. That is jet engine. The sounds around 140 decibel. Well, even you hear these sounds in short-term exposure, it can cause permanent ear damage. So, please be careful when you're going to hear, especially hear the loud sounds. Now, let's talk about the noise pollution. It refers to sounds that are loud, unpleasant, and disruptive to human and animal life. The sounds can be made by animals, humans, or machinery. The common sources of noise pollution is from transportation, especially from motor vehicles. Noise pollution can cause deafness, loss of sleep, anger, and also stress. Now, this way, how to protect our ears? There are some ways to protect our ears. First, rest your ears in a quiet environment. Keep the volume on music players, stereos, and televisions set low. Wear protective earplugs or ear muffs when getting constant exposure to loud sounds. And the last one, we have to avoid going to noisy places for a long period of time, such as theater, amusement center, and also game arcades. Well, this is the explanation about loud sounds. Hopefully, this video can be useful for you. Thank you for the attention. See you next video.